Alright, to report someone who is impersonating you, first of all, go ahead and tap on this magnifying glass on the top right corner. Tap on that and search for your profile name. And for some reason, if someone to use the same name, you're going to tap on that. I'm going to tap on that. And this is the fake account. So I'm just going to tap on these three lines here. And I'm going to tap on report profile. I'm going to tap on that. And here I'm going to tap on pretending to be someone. And here I'm going to tap a friend. I'm going to search for the profile, which is this. I'm going to tap on that, and I'm going to tap on next, and then tap on submit. Alright, so this is for mobile mode. For the next one, on my right hand corner, you can see this is desktop mode, which is either your laptop or your computer. So here, I'm going to click on three lines, and I'm going to click on find support or report. Click on pretending to be someone. I'm going to click on a friend, and here I'm going to key in a profile name. And click on send, and then I click on submit. Hi everyone, it's me here, Niel Tan. Of course, this profile you see here is not the real profile, so this is a fake one. Someone is impersonating me as Niel Tan. As you can see on my left hand corner, this is my mobile, and this is on the right side is on my desktop. So on the left side, you can see I actually posted this, and by the way, I'm creating these videos to show you how to actually report a fake account, okay, someone who is impersonating your account. So how do you report them? Whether it's on your laptop, your computer, your tablet, or whether it's on your mobile. Like on my left is my mobile. So you can see I actually talk about this. But first, I'm going to show you the step-by-step on how to actually report someone who is impersonating you, and they are trying to get information from your friends or from someone. So all you're going to do on mobile, okay, first on mobile, I'm going to tap on this link. So I'm going to put this link below or above of this video. You can go ahead and click on that link and you can take a look. If you don't see that link is available anymore, it means Facebook have actually blocked this account, this fake scammer user account. So I'm going to tap on this link, and you can see that it will go to the fake scammer profile here. Otherwise, you can tap on this search magnifying glass here. So this is just to confirm that there is nobody else using your name or your profile. So I'm going to just key in Niel Tan example. I'm going to tap on search, and you can see there are lists of other Niel Tans here as well. So this is the actual profile, and this is the fake one. So there are a lot of other fake profile here. Okay, there are a lot of other fake, but I'm not sure whether they do contact my friends or my clients. Okay, so there are a lot of fake ones. Maybe some of them are real. In the world is so big, there are some people may have the same or similar name as you. So here I'm going to just tap on this, Niel Tan here, I'm going to tap on that. And here, if this is the account that you want to report, just tap on these three little dots here, you can see that. Tap on that, and you can see there is this report profile. Okay, do not block. The block may not actually work, but you may want to actually tap on this report profile. Alright, again, this is on your mobile, so tap on report profile. Alright, for this case, if someone were to impersonate me, so I'm going to just tap on me. But for your case, if you were to help me to report this scammer or someone who is not me, you may want to tap on this, a friend. Okay, so tap on a friend and report that person who is impersonating me. And for your case, if someone is impersonating you, that's where you may want to tap on me. And you're going to ask all your friends, everyone who are going to help you to report, make sure they tap on this, a friend. Okay, just tap on that, a friend, then which friend. Okay, so you're going to key in like, oh, Niel Tan. Okay, so this one, someone is trying to impersonate this Niel Tan here. And you're just going to tap on next, and you're going to tap on submit. Okay, so this is more important part, so please do take note on that. Okay, so just tap on pretending a friend, Niel Tan example, next. Okay, so you are going to ask your friends to actually key in your profile name. Alright, so because someone is impersonating you, and you're going to ask your friend to put in your profile name, and you can just tap on submit. Alright, so I'm not going to tap on submit because I want to show proof to the police. I'm going to make a police report just to show them that this profile is a fake profile, and I'm going to see how can the authorities can actually find out where is this IP address coming from, where is this scammer and hackers coming from, and yeah, are they going to use the cyber cafe? Are they using from their home Wi-Fi, their own IP address, or are they going to use a VPN? I'm going to check with the local authorities about this scammer, this fake profile. So if you were to receive any message from this fake account, if you're going to just tap on search, let me go back to my main profile here. So if you were to receive any message like this, you see this? Like this? And please do not, okay, you can see here I've already typed over here. Please do not, okay, give out your personal info, especially when they ask for your banking details or OTP number. So do not give any sensitive information to this scammer. Okay, to this someone who I do not know who is that as well. Okay, so please be careful of that. So please tap on that link and report this user. Give it a try. And as for on your desktop, whether it's on your laptop or on your computer, it's the same thing. You just tap on these 3 little dots here. You can tap on that, and you can see there is this find support or report. Alright, I'm going to click on that, and you can see the same option as the mobile. Alright, so I'm going to click on pretending to be someone, and here I'm going to click on a friend. So I'm going to click on a friend, and here I'm going to search for Niel Tan. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click on send. Alright, so I'm going to click on send again because I'm going to make a police report just to check who is this person. So I'm going to click on send. For your case, you're going to click on send. So whenever you have someone impersonating you, you may want to ask your friends to key in your Facebook profile name here. And then you're going to ask them to click on send. Otherwise, you can send them this video to show them how to do this step by step as well, so that they can help you to report that person, that fake account. So please take note, every time when someone were to actually impersonate you on Facebook or Instagram or any social media account, please make sure you save the link down. Do not delete, do not report yet for your case. So you can ask your friends, your family members, your clients, or anyone to report. So for your case, if you are the victim, so please do not report this yet until you make a police report. Alright, until when you are confirmed that this account is being blocked by Facebook. So you need to get a lot of friends, your family, everyone to report your fake account, the fake account who someone is impersonating you again. So do that. Alright, just click on the 3 dots and just report it. Alright, and don't forget to save the link and make a police report. This is to share with you. This is one of the police report that I've made 2 years ago. That was like 2020. So now it's 2022. So basically that time I do not know there is such thing what we call the deep fake voice or deep fake face. You know, someone to pretend using your voice or your face. So like this kind of video I'm going to show you on YouTube. You can see this. You can actually just key in deep fake on YouTube, and you can go ahead and watch any of these videos, and you can see how people can use some software or technology to actually deep fake, whether it's a celebrity or could be someone else, even your family members, or could be someone who are already passed away. Yes, it's true. Even those like your family members who have passed away for many years ago, you can use this deepfake to make them back to life through this video deepfake. Alright, another one is the deepfake voice. So this is where people can use your voice or use other people's voice to scam for money. So this is something that you need to be careful. So whenever you have this kind of case, just like me, and again, back then I did not know that there is this deepfake face or voice. I did not know until around this year or last year, late of last year. And yeah, because it was the same case. Back then, someone told me that, oh, this scammer actually make a phone call and it sound like me, talk like me, and act like me as well. So that is the time that I did not know. So I just make a police report. Now I'm going to make another report because of this fake account, someone who is impersonating me again. Now this case is not so big compared to back to 2 years ago because someone used my voice and scammed my clients and my friends. So for this case, it's more like people just use my profile picture. So this is quite common. It is not common for someone to use your face or even your voice. Okay, that would be very tricky and dangerous. So I hope these videos help. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.